On my birthday, you know, I hate Activision forever. I was so hyped to play Diablo on my birthday with Marcia. I've been wanting to play it with her, and I knew it was out, like the new version. So I bought it on both our Nintendo Switches, because I knew that was the only way I was going to get her into playing it with me. And the fact that it was my birthday, I knew she couldn't say no. This game doesn't fucking work. And I can't get a refund either. So Activision, you ruined my birthday, and therefore you're done. There was someone donated earlier. It was I see your dono, Alexander, but I can't read it right now. Okay. Think you could help the workers at Activision unionize? Let's see here. They're beginning unionized efforts. Check it out. Go support. I support the workers at Blizzard. Activision. But fuck the people in charge or whatever. You know, that guy was scum. Bobby, whatever his name is. You could just look at him. You knew immediately he was a scumbag. Have you guys watched Succession? Because he reminds me of the dad from it. Fuck off.
Fuck off.
These fucking idiots are gonna buy my Diablo 2 and not get a refund if it doesn't work. They better fuck off.
I fixed the sound. It should be fixed.